creating a new Postgres user and new database. First we'll be connecting to Postgres using PSQL Postgres. Now we're connected. Let's create user. Let's name them Mark with password. Let it be just password in quotes. Make sure it's single quotes. And we'll be adding createDB here, which allows Mark to create databases. Okay, the role has been created. Now let's disconnect from our existing user and connect to Postgres as Mark. So the command will be psql -U Mark -d Postgres. Okay, now we are connected to Postgres as Mark, but we need a special database for our application, and let's create it. Create database. Let's call it like login DB. Okay, cool. Now it's created. We should be connected to it. So connect login DB. And now we are ready to create a table. Our table will be keeping user IDs, names, emails, and passwords. So create table users, not using a semicolon here. ID. Our ID will be a big serial type of data, which is basically the same as integer here. And our ID will be our primary key. And it is required, so typing here not null. Every time you were typing not null, a user will not be able to register without requested data. So next we will be asking for name, which will be just a string. So here we are typing varchar and give 200 symbols allowance, also not null. Now email, also varchar, also 200, also not null. And all the same with password. And we'll be adding one more thing. We'll be requesting our email to be unique. So if an email is already in our database, user cannot register with it again. We'll be doing like this. Unique is email. Closing the whole thing, and let's see what happens. Okay, cool. Our table has been now created. Let's see what we have a new relation here. Its name is users, and let's see what we have inside. Select all from users, and it shows that we have an empty table with 0 rows and 4 columns: ID, name, email, and password.